I was a pageant girl. I was, all these different things, and in front of a lot of different people, working in government agencies, working with high-ranking individuals, White House, things like that. And then as time progressed and the different treatments I received for cancer, just kind of deteriorated my smile. You don't want to be embarrassed by your smile. And I was. My husband asked me what I wanted for my anniversary because he just retired from the military. He said, you supported me for 33 years in the military. What can I do to make everything better? And I said, I just want to smile again. I want to be me. I saw the commercial and I thought, okay, we can, just go check it out. Everybody was so nice, number one. They'd just bent over backwards to help and do everything that they could. Walked me through every single step of just my consultation. And I said, if I can go from this to the smiles on the pictures and the walls and on the commercial, I said, that's exactly what I want.
She's got a lot of bite issues, so you can see that her upper teeth are narrower than her lower teeth. Her mouth isn't healthy, and she doesn't have a great bite. And again, this is a really common scenario for when people present to us. There's a lot of design that takes place and a lot of collaboration between what's going to happen in surgery and then the smile that Dr. Larrabee is going to design to put on it.
For Amy's case in particular, she was very frustrated when she came to us. She had had a lot of general dentistry already. She had a lot of dentists that just wanted to kind of fix one thing here and there and do kind of a hamster wheel of dentistry. But doing that, we wouldn't address the main problem, which was her bite. It was really exciting to be able to give her the confidence back that she wanted and to be able to smile again, but also to give her function and restore her back to health with a good, healthy, long-term bite.
Just an absolutely amazing result that in one day you can take somebody who has been fighting with their bad bite their whole life, has spent so many countless hours in the dental chair trying to fix this problem, that we're just able to fix in one day with this just incredible result.
It meant the world to me to look in that picture and see myself again. 25 years later, but it was still me. You'll find new friends, you find yourself, you find hope, you find the things in life that you didn't think were so important, but at the end of the day, sometimes all you have is yourself. So if you're confident with that smile and the doctors at Doctor's Implant can deliver that to you, the best decision I made was to actually invest in my smile because it'll be there forever now. Don't lose hope. Call Doctor's Implants today.